Imagine this. You've spent years building a life with someone, living together, sharing a home, maybe even raising children, but you're not married. When your partner passes away, you hope to inherit something, only to discover that the will doesn't include you at all. It's shocking, upsetting, and sadly more common than many people realize. Take Lisa's story, for example. She'd been with her partner for over a decade. They shared a house, supported each other financially, and even planned their future together. When he passed away, his will left everything to his estranged sister. Lisa felt completely blindsided, but she wasn't powerless. In England and Wales, unmarried partners don't automatically inherit under the law. Unlike spouses or civil partners, there's no automatic right to a share of the estate. However, there are legal options. You may be able to make a claim under the inheritance provision for Family and Dependants Act, 1975, if you were financially dependent on the deceased. This allows the court to ensure reasonable provision is made for people who relied on the deceased for support. Courts will look at a range of factors. Your financial needs, your contribution to the household, and the size of the estate all play a role. They will also consider the intentions of the deceased. This isn't about entitlement, it's about fairness and ensuring those who depended on the deceased are provided for. Timing is crucial. Claims generally need to be made within 6 months of probate being granted, so acting promptly is essential. Gathering evidence, financial records, proof of cohabitation, and any documentation showing dependence can strengthen your case. At Blackstone Solicitors, we've helped clients like Lisa navigate these situations. Disputes can be emotional and complex, but with the right advice, it's possible to secure a fair outcome, protect your rights, and even preserve family relationships where possible. Being unmarried doesn't mean being powerless. If you were financially dependent or relied on your partner, the law provides protection, but only if you act quickly and seek expert guidance. Blackstone Solicitors. Protecting your rights, resolving disputes, safeguarding legacies.